What you just watched was not filmed. No camera. No budget. I made that entire cinematic clip using just one AI tool called Steve AI in under 5 minutes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. So let's dive in. Head over to Steve AI. Steve AI is genuinely one of the best AI video creation tools available right now. Trusted by over 7 million creators worldwide. From text to video, generative AI, image to clip, AI motion effects, and more. This is not just a video generator. This is a complete AI video studio. Right inside your browser. Just sign up. Steve AI gives you 3 options. You can either start with a prompt, just describe your idea, or can use your own script, or can upload a voice, and Steve will make a video. For this demo, I'm going with the text-to-image option. Steve AI's built-in image generator. No Midjourney, no DALL-E needed. Now I'm going to type in my image prompt. A fierce female archer warrior. Massive fire burning in the background. Cinematic. And this is really important. The better your prompt, the better your result. Select the model as Nano Banana and aspect ratio as 16:9. Click on Generate. And now we wait. Usually it takes about 20 to 30 seconds. Look at that. This is absolutely stunning. Just look at the detail on the armor. The fire is glowing. This honestly looks like it came straight out of a Hollywood production. And it took 30 seconds. Now here is where the magic really begins. Click on Steve AI's image to clip feature. And honestly, this blew my mind the first time I tried it. Upload the warrior image. I'm going to type my motion prompt. Slow cinematic camera push-in. Rain falling. Fire flickering in the background. Here you will get Premium and VO 3.1 models. I am going with VO 3.1 with audio. Choose the duration as 8 seconds and ratio as 16:9. Click on Generate. And there she is. The fire is flickering. The sound effects. I genuinely get excited every single time I see this. This is the power of Steve AI. But we are not done yet. Steve AI has one more feature that takes this to a completely different level. AI motion effects. Here you can add zoom effects, holy wings, camera movement, action mode, and one of my favorite effects, the character swap. This lets you completely swap the character in your clip with a different look or style, instantly. Upload the warrior video. Then upload the character image that you want to change. Type a prompt, though it is optional, and click on Generate. After waiting for a while, watch this. Same scene. Completely different character. All with just a few clicks. This is insane. One more interesting feature is Steve AI's brand new voice to video that turns audio recording into a fully edited video automatically.
Deep in the mistwood jungle, Maya followed vines swayed above.
Hey, just a quick reminder
for joining the team. This short introduction will help you.
And the best part? Steve AI supports multiple languages. English, French, German, Italian. Listen to this.
You don't need a big budget to tell a big story.
Now I'm going to upload this audio. Then select the style. Live stock clip, generative AI, the template. Just select one. I am going with generative AI. Choose size as horizontal, type as clip, enable BGM and subtitles. Click Generate Script. Okay, here is the script. Now click on Generate Video. For style, I am going with 3D animation. Okay, waiting for some time. Here is the result.
You don't need a big budget to tell a big story. You just need the right tools and the courage to create.
Steve AI built an entire video around it automatically. One upload. Full video. This is perfect for podcasters, coaches, and storytellers. Now let's talk about pricing. Steve AI offers plans for every level. The starter plan gives you 100 minutes of video per month, 800 AI images. Perfect for beginners just starting out. The Pro plan gives you 300 minutes per month, 2K resolution, and 95% human-like voices. Best for serious content creators publishing regularly. The Generative AI plan gives you 400 minutes plus 15 full minutes of pure generative AI credits. Best for agencies. And if you pay annually, you save up to 30% instantly. Just toggle this switch right here. My honest recommendation? Start with Starter. Test it. Then upgrade only when you genuinely need more. So my honest verdict? Steve AI is genuinely one of the most complete AI video platforms out there right now. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, there's a plan for you. And the platform is enterprise-grade secure, so your content is safe. AI is not replacing creators, it's empowering them. And Steve AI is proof of that. If you want to try Steve AI, the link is in the description below. If this video helped you at all, drop a like, leave a comment, and tell me what you created with Steve AI. And subscribe to get more updates. I'll see you in the next one.